Okay, the next question, find the area of the given figure. Well, this is a composite figure, so you will need to decompose into triangles and rectangles. Alrighty, I decided to make a rectangle in the center. 4 by 4 is 16. I took this little corner and put it up and made a square. It's a 2 by 2, so it's 4. And then I just decided to do the other triangle separately to show you if you did it like a triangle. So the base is 2, the height is 2. Remember, it has a perfect square corner. 2 times 2 is 4, divided by 2 is 2. This one's the same. 2 times 2 is 4, divided by 2 is 2. I add my totals together for an answer of 24. All right, and then on to the very last page. I don't know what I did with my very last page. Here it is. How do you find the area of a square? Well, a square is a rectangle, so length times width would work for area. But squares are special because their side lengths are the same. So a lot of times we'll write it as side times side equals area. So thinking of my square, the sides are the same. How would I find the area of a square with a side length of 7? I like to sketch my square.
Elijah Reed, please come to the office for a moment. Elijah Reed, please come to the office for a moment.
So I know if one side is 7, the other side has to be 7. 7 times 7 is 49, and the units are squared. That 2 tells you that it's squared. And it's because two things are being multiplied, length times width, 2 dimensions. So a 2-dimensional figure has a little 2. Use exponents to express the area. Well, we know the area is side times side equals area. Well, my side is 5, so it'd be 5 times 5. So how would I write 5 times 5 as an exponent? That would be 5 to the second power, would be how to get the area of that square. If I know the area of a square, how would I find the missing side length? Well, remember, we know it's side times side equals area. They're telling me the area is 36. So it's something times the same exact number, because it's a square, equals 36. This is an instance where it's really important to know your multiplication facts. Otherwise, you're going to be doing a lot of guessing and checking on your calculator. 6 times 6 equals 36, so my missing side length is 6. What is special about a cube? Well, a cube is made of all the same squares. So it's all the same dimensions. When we say dimensions, we're talking about the length, the width, and the height. So if that's a 4, that's a 4, that's a 4, that's a 4. So finding the surface area, you would find the area of one face, and then you'd have to find all the faces. How many faces are on a cube? Front, back, side, side, top, bottom. So one face is 4 times 4, which is 16. And there's 6 faces, so I do my 16 times 6. Here's my calculator. 16 times 6 is 96. How would I do that using exponents? Well, remember, exponents are showing repeated multiplication. So this right here is my repeated multiplication. So I would have 4 to the second power, because there's 2 4s, and then I'm multiplying it times 6. So that equals 96 units squared, because it's still area. All right, a little bit of review on exponents. Exponent form, you want to know how many times this number is being multiplied by itself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 to the 7th power. Is a statement true or false? Remember, an exponent is repeated multiplication. So 2 times 4 is not repeated multiplication, so that's false. 4 plus 4 is not repeated multiplication. 2 to the 4th power is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Repeated multiplication. And the last one, 4 times 5 means 4 groups of 5, but that's always addition. So that's this. 5 groups of 5, that's addition. This is multiplication, repeated multiplication. So 5, and I need 4 of them multiplying itself. So this is 5 being multiplied by itself. There's 4 of them. And this is 4 being multiplied by itself, and we need 5 of them. All right, when you are finished, go up to your teacher, tell them the secret word is sunshine, and you will get a candy.